Pltr is currently trading at $8 a share, and in order to determine Pltr's valuation, I am going to look at three different things: price to sales ratio, analyst estimates, and finally my Excel sheet, which tells me at what price I should buy a stock based on my assumptions about the future of the company. Price to sales is a great valuation to look at when you want to compare a company that isn't making money to other companies, and Pltr has just started to make money in the last quarter. Pltr currently has a 9 price to sales ratio, and if we look at a company like Microsoft, which is in tech and has a similar gross margin, Microsoft has a 68% gross margin and Pltr has a 78% gross margin, which is insane. It's a company with one of the highest gross margins out there. Microsoft is trading at a 10 price to sales ratio and Pltr at a 9 price to sales. However, Pltr has a lot more growth potential. Therefore, because Pltr has higher gross margin and growth potential, it looks good from a price to sales perspective. Moving on to analyst estimates, they are expecting this company to make 31 cents a share in 2026. If we apply a 25 PE to this company, which is high, this would make it a $7.75 stock. So not a lot of upside potential according to analysts. Finally, my Excel spreadsheet tells me at what price you should buy a stock based on the assumptions about the future of the company. On screen, you are seeing my 7-year assumptions on revenue growth, profit and cash flow margin, PE and price to free cash flow, and finally my discount rate, which is the return I want to get each year on my investment. The top numbers tell me at what price I should buy the stock based on profit, and the bottom ones tell me at what price I should buy the stock based on free cash flow. So if you believe my high assumptions, you would buy Pltr as you would make more than a 15% return each year. The middle assumptions are basically there, and the low ones, basically the stock needs to fall in half. In conclusion, looking at the price to sales, analyst estimates, and my Excel spreadsheet, I think Pltr is trading at a fair valuation. And if you like the company, it might be a good time to start a position. However, I do not think the stock is massively undervalued. I hope you enjoyed the analysis, and I'll see you on the next one.